Well, hi there. This is Easy Empsits, and it's just going to be a little recap video. Not going to take up a whole lot of your time, but I did want to get back to you on a few things. My bicycle find and what happened with that, and also I want to remind everybody and get it out there. We are giving away a GoPro. Yes, still giving that GoPro away, and I'll cover that in a little bit. So here we go. Also, I have watched that first video, and I understand a lot of you are noticing the same thing. I talk a lot, and I'm working on that, so I'm not going to talk a lot during this video. So, anyways. Oh man, alright, first of all, I'd like to pay tribute to my favorite group. I know you were always thinking it was Hank Williams or ZZ Top, Leonard Skinner or something, but no, Beastie Boys!
Yeah!
Alright, anyways, let's get back to it. Right, I went out the very next day. Y'all know I found that awesome bicycle. Or at least what I thought was an awesome bicycle. It wasn't as awesome as I thought. I would have this all on video, by the way, but the next day when I went out, major camera dilemmas. Well, one of my cameras was not charged because, you know, that would be something smart to check before you went out. The other thing was the awesome little FoPro that we were talking about that the wife got me. Didn't record jack shit, so missed a lot of footage there. And because I thought I got all this video footage with the other stuff, I didn't even bother to use my cell phone because I'm that smart. But so anyway, we have no video coverage of when I went back to get the bicycle. But I'm just going to tell you about it, alright? And hey, I don't know if you can see behind me here, I'm doing a new thing here. I'm trying out a green screen, alright? I really don't know what it does. It's probably just going to be a green screen behind me during this video. But, here we go. So I go back the next day, right? All excited, got my hip waders. So I kept talking about it in the last video. So I came back with hip waders. Got into the water. Okay, the current was strong, but I still went looking around and went out there to where the bicycle was located. Found it again. And in the water, it still looked awesome as ever. In the water, that is. I reached down because I'm all happy and I pull the bicycle out of the water, and then it starts just hanging and falling, and it was in there a little longer than I thought. So anywho, go in there, grab the bicycle, and carry it over to the shore and throw it on the shore. And I'm looking at it, and I had awesome video of this, I thought, but I don't. But it turned out that the bicycle was just a big piece of crap, and so it was a mongoose, though. Mongoose bicycle. Actually, when I seen it, when I was pulling it out, I saw a mongoose and I really got excited, but didn't know it was all rusted and falling apart. Shit was broke off of it. So, you know, it ended up just being scrap metal. I got rid of that sucker already. Because I hadn't checked the video to see that I hadn't got video. Well, I would have at least taken a picture of it. Anyways. That's that. My first treasure on my first video turned out to be a big pile of crap. Alright. On to the next thing. I'm going to try and do this. Like, on to the next thing. We are giving away a GoPro still. Remember that GoPro I talked about in the first video? Well, no, over here. Alright, right here. I'm going to put it right here in this video. GoPro, giving it away. All we need is 1,000, I'm saying that like a real hick, 1,000 subscribe. Man, this is not working. 1,000 subscribers, and this GoPro is going to belong to one of y'all. All right, first 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna pick out for one of those. When I find out who it is, please make sure you're in the United States of America, because if you live over in another country, you are paying for the shipping, brother. All right, but anyway, 1,000 subscribers, let's get it done. That's pretty much the wrap, folks. My bicycle, big piece of crap. GoPro, we're still giving it away. So, y'all make sure to like, subscribe. I got a new video coming out, by the way. New video. You're gonna like it. New video. New treasure hunt. Something I've never tried, but I'm doing it for the first time, and I will get back to you in that video very soon. Anyways, thank you for subscribing, those of you who have subscribed. Just a little, that 1,000 subscribers we're trying to get to, we're up to 32 right now. 32! Remember last time I was like 10. Now I'm at 32. Amazing.